The colors are bright, they're the perfect size for small hands, and the friction power is great. We've had them for a few months and so far they've held up great. Great little trucks. Bought them for my 3-year-old and he loves them. They feel sturdy and the push action works really well. They go a long way with just a little push. Wish they had more vehicles, taxi, police car, airplane, fire truck, ambulance, etc., available to purchase, because I know he would love those, too. Grandpa got this set for my son, and it is a hit. My son loves them. He has a pretty good collection of cars, but these are by far his favorite and he will not leave the house without one in tow. Good job, Grandpa. Love them. Great quality. Click link in description for more reviews.